Rating different sweets from an American supermarket. Let's go!
Spice cakes.
Oat milk cream pies. Everyone told me Little Debbie is the best, so let's see. Really strong oatmeal taste, and the cream has a marshmallow consistency. I thought they were way bigger. Honey buns. A bit too sweet, but the bun is really moist. Zebra cakes. 320 calories in these two cakes. Such a nice shape. Really satisfying texture. I also really like the cream filling. Has a slightly weird aftertaste though. Let me tell you, Little Debbie did not disappoint. From today, this is my favorite. It's really yummy. Okay, bye.